Hello guys, welcome back to another video. If it's your first time, my name is Malanza FX. I am a full-time trader based in Nairobi, Kenya. And if you are a returning subscriber, thanks so much for the support. Of course, I do content about Forex trading. And today we are going to talk about some of the mistakes beginners make. So if you want to be a full-time trader, you have to take notes and be keen on these points. Number one is greed. Now, if you go on social media, especially on this platform, YouTube, there is so much flashy lifestyle, and most of the time this entices beginners, and they think that trading is a get rich quick scheme. All right, so they come with the same mentality that I'll get into this business and maybe within a month or two I'll have bought a car, changed my apartment, changed my dress code, my diet and all that. And it might not happen most of the time. So this might end up discouraging you and maybe killing your whole career. All right. So be keen on greed. Number two is lack of trading plan. Now, when I was in high school, there was this famous quote: if you do not have a plan, then you're planning to fail. Of course, everyone heard of this. Now, this may lead to gambling because you have no direction, you're just moving, and sometimes direction is better than speed. You're just trading, you don't know what you are doing, and at the end of the day, you might end up blowing your entire account. So if you can, look for a trading plan, which is very simple. You can look for one, you can Google one, or else you can follow me on social medias. I'll share, I do share on my social media platforms. Now, another problem associated with beginners is over trading. Now, that's my third point. Most beginners think that the more you trade, all right, assuming you wake up at 4 a.m. and you trade until, let's say, midnight, you'll make crazy amount of money. Guys, remember, in the market we trade opportunities. Now, if you do not have a trading opportunity but decide to go in the market and trade, maybe execute trades, you're more likely to lose. All right, so over trading might not be the best idea in the market. If at all you want to make money, I would recommend that you take step by step and only trade when there's an opportunity. If you get 2 opportunities in a day, that's okay, and they are profitable, now that's good. And to my fourth point is lack of skills and proper research. Now, it's funny because most traders, beginners, they want to learn within 1 week, fund their live account within 1 week, and start trading and make crazy money. Guys, which business do you learn in just 1 week and start killing it and making crazy money? Guys, I think this is one of the reasons guys end up blowing their accounts, because they lack proper skills and research. Try as much as you can, try and trade with a demo account, and that will give you confidence. As you approach to trade on the live account, you'll have gained so much skills and confidence. I also want to talk about overconfidence. Okay, if you take maybe your first trade and it's successful, and you take your second trade and it's successful, try and don't be overconfident, because if you think your third trade will be profitable and you over leverage your account, or rather you over risk your account and you take a loss, then you might end up wiping the entire profit. So don't be overconfident. If at all you're a beginner, go step by step and observe my next point, which is risk management. Most beginners don't take risk management seriously, simply because maybe of what I've talked about before. Maybe first trade, it's profitable, the second one, then the third trade, you don't take risk management seriously. Guys, in case you take a loss, just be sure it's going to wipe your account, and it might end up killing your entire career. Now, there is another issue which is a big challenge, which is still associated with beginners, and this issue is over-diversifying your portfolio, and this includes trading many trading items. All right, you find that a trader is trying to trade like 10 items at once. It is not a good idea, because if you can choose just one pair and focus on that particular pair, I think you're more likely to be profitable than trading everything in the entire market. So choose one or two pairs or other trading items and focus on them. And now to my next point, if you're a beginner, try and save up your own capital. All right, avoid borrowing money from friends and overpromising. Avoid bank loans, and you're not sure if you're going to be profitable or not. So try and avoid borrowing money and overpromising maybe the bank or maybe your friends that you're going to pay them within the shortest time possible. And now to my last point, which is very, very important: choosing the wrong broker. If you're a beginner and you happen to choose the wrong broker, then you have started ruining your career from the beginning. And what is the definition of a wrong broker or maybe a good broker? Let me go with choosing the right broker. Now, your broker has to be regulated. For my case, I prefer a broker that is regulated locally in my country. For example, I'm in Kenya, and all brokers must undergo CMA regulations. So for my case, my broker has to be regulated by the CMA. And of course, if you want to be a successful trader, your broker as well must have the best customer service. In case you have any challenge, should be a broker that you can call them during the day when you are trading and respond immediately. Again, when it comes to deposit and withdrawals, if you are trading with a broker, I recommend that a broker that's, in case, assuming that your trades are running on losses and you need to top up your account really quickly, and in case you have an emergency and you need some funds, you also need a broker that allows instant withdrawals. Okay, and in this case, I recommend my broker below. It's HFM, fully regulated by CMA. On my left, there's a QR code. You can scan on that code to create an account, or else check on the video description. I will put the link below. You can check on the landing page, click on the green button to open an account. And any other day, we can meet on social media platform, because I'm on TikTok as Malonza FX, I'm on Instagram as Malonza FX, I'm on Facebook and as Malonza FX. Until next time, take care.